Hello everyone, Tom here again from Smartland, and welcome to another video tour of one of our amazing turnkey properties. Today we're going to be looking at 20604 Sunset Drive in Warrensville Heights, Ohio. This property is amazing. It offers approximately 1,400 square foot of living space. It's a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath. The market value on this property is about $98,000. We think it's going to rent for about $10.25. This property has been totally renovated. It has all new carpet, new paint, new light fixtures. We renovated the kitchen and both bathrooms, and it has a finished basement. So let's just go take a look at the rest of this property. So in here we have the kitchen. We refinished all of the existing cabinets in here. We installed new hardware on every cabinet. We also installed new countertops, a new sink, brand new stainless steel appliances, and a new light fixture. So in here we have the main bathroom. We installed a new sink, a brand new toilet, a new tub, new shower tiles. We also installed a new shower fixture and new light fixtures as well.